Dr. Michael Bayiga, the Vice President of the People's Front for Freedom PFF, has criticized High Court Judge Justice Emmanuel Baguma for denying bail to PFF founder Dr. Kiiza Besigye despite the expiration of the mandatory 180 detention period. Speaking at a press conference at the PFF's Katonga Road offices in Kampala, Bayiga condemned the ruling as a constitutional violation and vowed to expose what he described as cadre judges undermining Uganda's judicial system.
And this is going to be an example. We are going to give this one as a very good example and others at large. And we shall ensure that Uganda discusses this. At all our gatherings, all our rallies, we shall ensure that even the religious leaders are informed. Even the cultural leaders are going to be informed. Even the activists are going to be informed. Let us ignite a fire that is going to save our country by exposing the political legal decisions which are being given by these courts to suit circumstances.
Bayiga, who recently defected from the Democratic Party to PFF, reaffirmed Besigye as the PFF's preferred candidate for the 2026 Uganda presidential election.
But Ugandans are not going to bow down simply because people are going to use their offices for the purpose of prolonging injustice to individuals who are fighting for our freedom. So when that matter is discussed, we shall have a series of activities. We shall make a series of documentaries, and we shall document and make sure that documents reach every corner of this country so that decision makers of our country get to know.
He accused President Museveni of orchestrating Besigye's detention to suppress his advocacy for democratic reforms, claiming the charges against Besigye related to illegal possession of firearms are baseless. Besigye has been in Luzira prison since November 2024.
So if at all you just sit there and make decisions, how are we going to trust you that tomorrow you are not going to bring another program? You will bring another program because we can instigate it depending on the issues that we can raise. The Electoral Commission must know that they are regulating political parties which have individuals who must discuss with them on the way forward. Not only the Freedom Party or any other party, but all of us who are participating in all these exercises. We do not want to see the Electoral Commission simply dictating, because they will continue to dictate that way and they are causing a bad precedent.
Bayiga said PFF had decided to suspend candidate nominations for 2 days to mourn the death of party co-founder James Garuga Musinguzi and youth leader Denmark Baino Mugisha. Bayiga announced plans to leverage his expertise to lead a political rehabilitation program for disgruntled politicians, particularly those who lost in recent party primaries, to join the PFF. He said there are ongoing negotiations with various freedom-seeking forces across political parties to bolster the PFF's ranks ahead of 2026. William Rwanga, Beg Television.